name is Coco and today we are making marshmallow Rice Krispie treats. Your ingredients are Rice Krispies, butter, and marshmallows. Let's go now to the stove. Now let's melt the butter. Put the whole butter, 3 tablespoons, and put it in medium. Next, we're going to put the marshmallows in. Now you mix it until it's like yogurt. Meanwhile, we're going to spread the butter. We're going to put the marshmallow Rice Krispie treats every side in a pan. See how it's melting? Keep on going. Now we need to put the Rice Krispies. 6 cups. Full. 6. Now you mix with it inside the marshmallows. Try not to make a mess. It needs to be nice and sticky. Turn off the stove and put it inside the pan. Careful not to touch under where you put the pan because it might burn. Ask an adult to help you. Now you're going to have to spread it evenly. Here's a trick. Put this inside coconut oil so it can't stick. Look, it's not sticking at all. Now we're going to spread it evenly. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Make some space if it's big. Now let's take it out and try it. Ask an adult to cut it for you.